Hey Tony, we got your 87 Bronco computer back, the X9J. Um, as we talked about last time, it doesn't look to us like the computer was the problem. It did have some old capacitors and they needed to be replaced anyway. But this computer is batch fire, so the complaint originally was that this thing only has two injectors stuck open. But the way these work, the batch fires four injectors at a time, not just one or two. So you would either have four injectors stuck open or none if it was computer related. As we kind of talked about on the phone, I think that maybe you're looking at a problem with the vehicle wiring, and what we saw in the computer internally seems to kind of jive with that. I don't think that the problem is in the computer, but it did need the capacitors replaced anyway, so that's not entirely a wasted effort there. This is the post-repair inspection, so there she is on the bench. She works good. Got the 5-volt regulator, the check engine light, and the fuel pump. And we put it in code pulling mode, and it works fine. I don't think it had a problem before, and I don't think it has a problem now. So let me know if we can help you with figuring out how to diag some of those that injector wiring problem. But my belief is that either you've got four of them stuck on and don't know about the other two, or that maybe there's a problem with the wiring in the car, and that, or even mechanically, that the injectors are stuck open, not electrically but mechanically. So anyway, I don't think you're out of the woods yet, but I don't think the computer was it. All right, it's ready to go whenever you're ready.